జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. సుందరకాండ. Hanuma saying to Sita Devi like this: "O Sita Devi, when Sampati told us, we all reached the northern banks of the ocean. There, when we saw that ocean, Chintam Jagmuhu Punarbhitaha, we all got scared. But what I did is, I made all the Vanaras fearless, and I was the one who crossed that 100 yojanas ocean, and I entered Lanka. I have seen Ravana, and finally I could see you, but you are completely drowned in grief. O Sita Devi, Etatte sarvam akyatam yadhavrittam anindite." So far I told you everything that has happened. O Sita Devi, please believe me now. Please talk to me now. Duto dasarathehe aham, I am Ramaduta. I came here to do Rama's work. I am the minister of Sugriva. I am the son of Vayudeva. For Sita Devi, I came here by myself, and I am very fortunate that I could cross this ocean. I could see you here. My crossing this ocean did not go waste. Because of my fortune, I got your darshanam. O Sita Devi, soon Rama is going to be coming here and kill Ravana and entire of his parivaram. O Vaidehi, my father's name is Kesari. He is such a great Vanara. He killed Sembasadana, the demon. And my parents, Kesari and Anjana, because of Vayudeva's anugraham, I am born to them. And because of so many great things that I have done, Hanuman iti vikyato lokesvenaiva karmana, I am named after Hanuma. O Sita Devi, Vishwasardhantu Vaidehi Bharturukta Maya Gunaha. So far, I told you everything to gain your trust. I also have praised all the great divine qualities of Sri Ramachandra Swami. Like that, when Hanuma said everything, Sitamma started feeling happy, her face started glowing, and then finally she started believing that yes, he is Vanara, he is not Ravana. Then again Hanuma saying to Sita Devi like this: "O Sita Devi, now do not cry anymore. Kim karomi katham vate. Please tell me what I have to do. After I do everything that you ask me to do, then I will go back." And also Hanuma saying to Sita Devi like this: "O Sita Devi, here is Rama Nama Ankitancha idam pasya Devi anguliyakam." Here is the ring Rama gave to me, on which Ramanamam is written. Rama gave it to me so that I can show it to you, so that I can gain your trust. You can believe in me. O Sita Devi, samasvasihi, now you do not cry anymore. Bhadrante, may you be safe. Now you can believe that all of your sufferings, troubles are gone. Like that, Hanuma pacified Sita Devi. Hanuma consoled Sita Devi. When Hanuma showed ring to Sita Devi, which is given by Ramachandra Swami, Sitamma gruhitva prekshamana sa bhartuhu karavibhushanam. Sitamma has taken that ring and touching that ring and feeling so much excited. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. రామ రామ దశరథ రామ 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 దశరథ రామ హే హే రాజా రామ హే హే రాజా రామ హే హే సీతారామ హే హే సీతారామ. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.